Hey my friend, welcome back. This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 very simple and fast ways that you can whitelist your email in your Yahoo account. Let me take you here to my Yahoo account, and I have an email here, Keiron@KeironHogg.com, that I want to whitelist. So this is already in my inbox, but the first thing I'm going to show you is if an email is not in your inbox, you would just go to your spam. All right, well, my spam is empty because I do not use this email account. But what you would do, you would just go on spam, and then you would just click on the box and you would just say move to your inbox. Okay, so let me just show you. If I go to my inbox, if I just clicked on this, all right, you would just say move to, click on here, and then you would just say, now this is not highlighted because it's already in the inbox. But if it's in your spam folder, you're just going to click inbox, and then it's going to move to your inbox. All right, then after that, what you can do is the second way is you can add sender to contacts. So what you can do, just type in the name here. This is the email address, Keiron@KeironHogg.com. Now you need to at least put a first name in, or any name, to get it to save. So I'm just going to quickly write the first name. Don't worry about the middle. Keiron Hogg, and just go down. None of this stuff is actually that important. If you want to get really informative, you can put all that information in, but it's not important. Then just click save. So now Keiron@KeironHogg.com is always going to be whitelisted. That means it's always going to be in my inbox, never in my spam box. Okay. Now the third and final way that you can whitelist an email in Yahoo is if you go to the top right here, and then you click on settings, more settings down here, and then you go over here to filters. Click filters, add a new filter. All right, now you can enter your filter name. So it can be any name you want. You could just say, I'm just going to say Keiron Hogg. So generally you will put the filter name of the person or the email company that you want to receive your emails from in your inbox. Okay, choose a folder. You want to choose your inbox. Okay, now if you wanted to, you could have a separate folder, you could have a subfolder. For example, Keiron Hogg, anybody that gets an email from me is going to receive tips on how to make money online and other cool things like that. So you might have like a make money online folder subname if you wanted, but that's not really the scope of this video. Okay guys, so what you want to do after you put in your filter name, you want to go down here, and then you want to just add some extra criteria here. So you're going to say from, select a filter criterion, contains, and then here type a filter value. So that just means you're just going to type in the email of the person. For example, in mine, Keiron@KeironHogg.com. Okay, and again you want it in the inbox, and we'll just click save. Okay, so look, Keiron Hogg, deliver to inbox if from contains Keiron@KeironHogg.com. And that is how 3 different ways that you can whitelist an email in Yahoo. Okay, so the first one will be just first of all checking your spam, moving it into your spam, and then going up here, add sender to contacts. Okay, so if it's not in your inbox, you have to go to your spam first and move it to your inbox, and then you can create that filter up here in the settings area, and then you will always receive that important email message from the person that you want. Okay, you guys, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button. And if you want to get my free content on how to make money online, check in the description down below. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want to take your game to the next level, also I encourage you to check out that link as well. All right, my friend, thank you again for your time. And this is Keiron Hogg, and I will talk to you soon, and best of luck on your journey. Take care.